what you want right now. Maybe get a room inside out.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a unboxing video. So I am going to unbox the March Glamego Box. So this is their 1-year anniversary box and they were kind enough to send this to me. So if you're interested to see what's in the March Glamego Box, then please keep on watching.
Know what you want right now. Maybe get a room inside out.
So first of all, congratulations to Glamego. They are celebrating their 1st year anniversary. So Glamego is a beauty subscription service that is available in India. You can subscribe for their beauty box and they'll send you 4 products out of which 3 will be skincare and 1 will be a makeup product in each box every month. So they have a lot of subscription plans. The least that you have to pay for each box is 289 rupees. I'm not sure, but I'll add all the subscription plan over here so you can check it out. And since I started using their service, I know for sure that they are doing really great work. They're delivering really good products, and that too for as low as 299 rupees, and that's why they are the best beauty subscription box service in India. So let's see what they have curated in my box for the March edition. So this is how the box looks like. It says girl boss because March is a month of Women's Day, so they have the theme around that. Plus it looks really good, like the box feels really good. Plus it has this magnetic closure in the box which is really nice. So I love how the box is looking from the outside. So as you open the box, you can see a small thank you note written on the lid. It says that we're celebrating you, and it says we wouldn't be here without you. So that's a small thank you note from Glamego, which is really sweet. And then they have this information card which mentions all the items that will be present in this box. So yeah, that's that. So the first thing that I can see here is this is a pretty huge packaging. It is Mond'Sub peeling off black mask. I have seen this on Nykaa.com. I have seen a lot of product of this brand on Nykaa.com. It is a charcoal peeling off mask, and it says that it is a deep cleansing mask which is a nose blackhead remover and a dark spot remover. So this is 100 ml of packaging and it cost you 1,000 bucks. Like this packaging is for 1,000 bucks. Let me open it and show you the actual tube. So this is how the actual tube looks like. I'm actually pretty excited to try this out. I really like charcoal in my beauty products. It does help in clearing off the skin impurities. I'll definitely try it out and post my views on this on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me there, do follow me. It's Ishita Beauty. I post small reviews and stories about such kind of product on my Instagram. So do follow me there. So the next product I can see is this. So this is the Kronokare Pollu-Stop Hair Leave-On Protective Screen against the pollution for hair. It says it is free of sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone. So this is how it looks. So this is basically a leave-on spray. Like once you have cleaned your hair and everything, just before going out you have to spray this all over your hair, and it's supposed to protect your hair from all the pollution and dirt. It's quite an interesting product, to be honest. And this is a 30 ml packaging, so it is a sample size product and it'll cost you 395 rupees. So yeah, that's the second product. So the next thing that I can see here is this is the overnight leave-on pack by Aroma Blossom. This is the reviving oxy pack which restores and lightens your skin. This is 100% free of parabens, harsh chemicals, alcohol, artificial fragrance and color, and it has organic aloe vera gel and lavender essential oil, and this is for all skin types. So this is how it looks. This is a 20-gram product, so it's again a sample size and it will cost you 90 rupees. I really like receiving face packs in my beauty box because I am a face pack hoarder and I love applying face packs. Also, Aroma Magic is a well-known brand. I have seen a lot of salons use a lot of product of this brand. It's not just any brand, so it's a product from a good brand. So I'll definitely try it out and I'll share my views on my Instagram. So now we have 2 products left in this box. So the 4th product that I can see here is called the Voste liquid eyeliner. So basically when I placed my order, so they had an option for this product. So they had the Voste mascara, they had the Voste eyebrow pencil, and then they had the Bella Voste liquid eyeliner, and I chose the mascara, but I still got the liquid eyeliner. I don't know why. I'll definitely check with them. For now, I got the shade 01 Black Midnight in this liner. So this is how the product looks like. It is a jet black felt tip liquid liner. Oh, it's very precise and black. And it's kind of smudge proof too, like it's not smudging at all. So I really like it. So it looks like a nice pen eyeliner, although I'm a person who usually go for liquid eyeliners more than pen eyeliners, but I will definitely try it out if they don't send in the mascara which I asked for. So yeah, that was the fourth product. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a full size product and it costs you 399 rupees. So yeah, that was the fourth one. And we have one more product in the box. Because it was their birthday edition, they added one extra product in the box. So they added this, which is the fifth item. They added the Bella Voste Premium Nail Enamel, which is a nail polish from Bella Voste, and they sent me the shade 618, which is a nice pastel blue, like it's a very light blue, and I have already used it and this is how it looks. I really like how it looks on me. Even though I have dusky skin tone, it really suits my skin tone really well. The only thing I did not like about this nail polish is that it's really sheer. Like, I applied 2 layers of this nail paint, but I could still see my nails through the paint, so I had to go in with the third coat, and you know, even with the third coat it was not really great. So I'm not sure if it's just with this shade, but definitely it is a very sheer nail polish. You have to layer it on to get the full coverage, but still I love the shade. I will definitely try to work with it. So this has 6 ml of product and is for 149 rupees. And yeah, that was the last product from the box. The box is completely empty now. So of course you know what time it is. It is the time to find out the actual value of this box. So we had the black mask for 1000 rupees, then we have the Pollu-Stop for 395, then we had the Bella Voste makeup for 399, yeah, and then we had the nail paint for 149, and we had the mask, the oxy mask, for 90. So the total come out to be 2033 rupees. Oh my god, how do they do that? Like, how do they put 2000 bucks of stuff and then sell it for 299 rupees? I don't get it. I really don't understand how do they do that. But anyways, it was a good assortment of box. I really love the box itself. It is such a nice box and I will definitely not throw it away. I'll definitely try to use it in some way or the other. So yeah guys, that's all I had for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, if you want to see more of me, then do follow me on my social media links. It's all Ishita Beauty, and I think that's it for today guys. Till next time, bye.
Know what you want right now. Maybe get a room inside out. Drinking in the club, upside down. Key in the car, bounce right now. It really don't matter to me. I got your love and patience. Really don't bother me, cause